Really concerned with political activities, political and practicing democratic, and I, also very relevant is that also in a certain focus. Of course, this is Indian. Just finish it fast.
You should develop a mental outlook to the universal message is that we are all same.
Thank you very much. From the pre-Buddhist religion is Tibetan culture, to come to learn about Tibet, to learn about the reality and truth of Tibet.
As the research student, I want to
One, two, three.
Foundation in English better for freedom. This is from the Naumann Foundation. Dr. Klein Campbell.
Yeah, this is like
We're just talking about the assignment to do research on lakes also in Tibet and Tibet. The most important transplanted rivers are one of the most important rivers of China. Not only they are important, but I mean they are there also.
The use of clean water.
We have lots of water, lots of rivers, so we don't need this river for ourselves. Regarding climate change, of course, much better than we have before, so thank you very much.
last time there was the tent there,
Yeah.
and you guided me around.
Share something about it.
Affecting the Arctic animal, not only the waste product of factory harm to marine life.
A firm cultural identity.
The nature is being developed under our human hands.
And we also have reading corner in that. Each home have their own vision. So the most important life will be here.
The Friedrich Naumann Foundation organized this wonderful trip and gave us a possibility to get an in-depth insight in Tibetan life.
We'll always stand on the side of those who fight for justice, for freedom, and for human rights.
Together with other parliamentarians from South Asia to Germany, that is something what we are also working on.